Hello everyone, on behalf of Physics Made Easy, I am welcoming you in the new lecture and the last video of the chapter Electronic Charges and Fields. So here are three types of the charge distribution: linear charge distribution, surface charge distribution, and volume charge distribution. For the linear charge distribution, first of all, we suppose the charge is uniformly distributed on a line in a linear way, and Q0 is the test charge on which we have to calculate the net force due to the charge distribution on a line. For the complete understanding, first of all, we take a small amount of a charge dq, and this charge is upon the length dl. Here lambda is a linear charge density. Apply the formula, calculate the force for the charge dq, then the force will be df. For the net force or the complete force due to this line charge distribution on the charge q0 can be found by taking the integral of the lambda dl divide by modulus of r square into r cap. Second, we can calculate the surface charge distribution. We can apply the same thing, we can apply the same concept, but for this case we take the charge on the surface. So here we use the word ds. ds represent the charge distribution on the surface where the charge is dq. So again we can calculate the net force on the charge q0, that is f, by taking the surface integral. And the last one is a volume charge distribution, that is a distribution of the charge on the volume. First of all, we can consider the small amount of the charge over the small amount of the volume, and then we can calculate the total net force on the charge q0 by taking the integral. Now the next topic, that the human body is a conductor. To show that charge can flow through a human body, in 1774 a person suspended with the help of insulated ropes was touched with a charge rod at his foot. Then electric sparks flew from his face, hand, and a metallic rod held by him when the same was brought near the earthen metallic plates. So this shows that the charge can flow through the human body. Earthing is the most important concept. This is a method by which charges are shared between a charged body and earth. Suppose the metallic body of an iron rod gives shock if touched barefooted. If the body of the iron is connected through a conductor buried deep into the earth, the charge present on the body of the iron get transferred to the earth, which accept the charge being good and huge conductor. The conductor used to connect the body of the iron and the earth is called earth wire. Metallic bodies of all electrical appliances are earthen from the safety point of view of the appliances as well as the user. The supplier ensures the availability of a third wire called earth wire to the consumers. However, the consumers are advised to have their own earthing. For earthing, a deep pit is dug in the earth till soft moist earth is obtained. A thick metallic plate connected to a thick conducting ground wire is put into this pit. Charcoal, common salt, lime, etc. are also put into the pit for better results. So we can learn that grounding has a great importance in electrostatics. It ensures safety of the appliances as well as the user. Grounding or earthing is represented by this symbol. Now next is a numerical from your NCERT textbook. What is the force between the two charged spheres having the charge of 2 into 10 raised to power minus 7 coulomb and 3 into 10 raised to power minus 7 coulomb placed 30 centimeter apart in air? So we have the two spheres and the charges are given. Q1 is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 7 coulomb. Q2 is 3 into 10 raised to power minus 7 coulomb. The distance between the spheres is given in centimeter. We change change it into the SI unit, that is 0.3 meter. We know the formula for the electrostatic force. F is equal to Q1 Q2 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. Then we know the value of the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, that is 9 into 10 raised to power 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. Put all these values, then we get the final answer of the force, that is 6 into 10 raised to power minus 3 Newton. So hence the force between the two small spheres is 6 into 10 raised to power minus 3 Newton. So these charges are of same nature and the force will be repulsive. I hope this chapter is clear to all of you in these videos. Next we meet with our second chapter of the class +2. Thank you, take care and have a nice day.